Here is how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Now, if you have looked at older videos, you may notice that the options look a little bit different from other videos around showing how to do this in Google Sheets. So what we want to do is determine which cells we want to have the drop-down list appear in. So I want to go from this one here, B2, and down to this one at the end, and I'll hold the shift key down and press click. That's where I want my drop-down list choices to appear. So how do we do it? Go into data and then data validation. And this may look a little bit different from other earlier videos that you have seen about this. You click on add rule. Now, I could just type in the drop down options here. So this is a task list and I want to say the task is to be done. So that's a to do, or it's in progress. And then I could add some more items. Maybe it's blocked. So if I just click done there, you'll see that those have got those drop down arrows there, and I can select one of those options, to do, or that one there, in progress. Now, what if I want to have more options here? Well, I can go back into my data validation rules and add the other items here. But another way to do it is to create them in a list, and I could say select from this range of options. In fact, these ones could be in a separate tab, but I'll just keep them here for the moment. So what I'm going to do is, instead of doing this drop down here, I'm going to say drop down from a range. And so I need to select the range. I can type those in, that cell range in, which is E11 to E17, or else I can simply select it here. Go select the data range, and then just drag down to there. Well, there we go, E11 to E17, and I press OK. And now I should have all of those options available for my drop-down list here. If I go here, and there they are, all available. The task is completed. The next one is on hold. Now there are some advanced options as well. If you click on those, you can show a help text for a selected cell. And if the data is invalid, you can either show a warning or reject the input altogether. And you can also change the appearance of that drop-down arrow. It can be a chip like that, or it can be plain text, which doesn't indicate that there is a drop-down, but it is certainly there. But I like the chip one there myself. Click done, and then you are all good.